Da 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 knock, baby. Danang, Việt Nam. Going all around Danang, checking out Danang. Come on, let's see Danang. Da 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 knock, baby. Dang 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 Danang, baby. Dang no dang Danang. Dang dang oh da 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 Danang, baby. Danang. Danang of Vietnam. Oh, Vietnam. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Vietnam. Danang. Vietnam. Do you know where you are? You're in Danang, baby. Danang. Vietnam. That's where you going all around Danang, checking out Danang. Come on, let's see Danang. Da 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 da, baby. Dang 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 Danang, baby. Dang oh dang Danang. Dang dang oh da 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 Danang, baby. Danang.
Okay, we're filming on the streets of Danang. These are our cross streets. We're going to be walking down this one and just kind of seeing what's here. Got some coffee shops over there, and then we also have this kind of loud venue right there. And I think I walked by it. It's like mostly Vietnamese. A lot of Danang feels like a lot of foreigners, but you actually have a lot of different stuff as well. Okay, let me put this up on the map so you can see. That goes to the beach, by the way, if you walk about 15 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. Okay, let's walk down this one. Okay, we're in Danang, Vietnam, up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. So that's the location in Vietnam, and we're going to be exploring all these different streets, and this particular street is going to be there. Let's get right into it as if you're there yourself. Okay, so I'm going to label this accordingly, and we're going to walk down the street and just see what we can see along the way. There is Pho Long Hoi, let's see, Vietnamese. We're also going to come over here, take a look at this. That's all getting set up for tonight. Got the loud music. It's Saturday, and I think this is more like where Vietnamese hang out. There's other areas where tons of foreigners are in Danang everywhere, but there's other places that are not quite like that. And we're gonna meander through all of this. Karaoke over there. So in this area, there's a lot of kind of sit-down restaurants, music, food, barbecue, duck. Karaoke as well. Ooh, that's kind of loud. Now that I'm walking away, I can feel how loud that was. Okay, so we're gonna go across. That's going to capture There's like karaoke right there. Okay, let's keep going down. More karaoke. So I think the karaoke is maybe more of a Asian audience. Now there's no way to get around that one, so we have to go into the street. I kind of like this. In Vietnam they have a lot of these things where you can sit outside. So all the tables are set up like that. And this one you can get some fresh juice. Something called Music Box over there. We've got Music Box, maybe, I think it's for young people. Oh, it's like a singing, it says singing. So recording, so maybe you can record your music. You can sing maybe in a karaoke, and then you can also record the music. Let me see. This is a, looks like a bubble tea shop. Okay, let's keep on going down our street. More of these. Okay. So I'm gonna cross the street because I want to look through the traffic if I'm gonna walk in the street. So over on this side, it's a little easier. I can see who's coming at me. I don't think it happens as much anymore, but there's tons of stuff about phone snatchings and bag snatchings. But I haven't really heard it at all the last few years. Okay. One of the things you're going to notice is all the bikes use up the sidewalk, as well as signs and trash and chairs. I like the chairs part. Okay. More food. Let's see if we can get through this one. This is kind of the daily walking experience in the... Okay. Kind of a quiet street there. You can sit outside there too. Another restaurant on the sidewalk. So it's narrow. Oh, you can't get through there, so you have to go there. Okay. Kind of interesting though. Somebody blocked here to block the entire sidewalk. This is kind of typical of a lot of the sidewalks. I think if there's like a little bit more structure. There's a yellow line, like maybe if the scooters had to park and left like half of it open or something like that. Maybe the restaurants could be somewhere where they're not blocking. Like there must be, maybe they should have something where, you know, at least some kind of walking path exists so that, you know, you don't have to walk in the street with the traffic. Anyways, we're still going down. More of these places to sit. The lights are getting a little bit darker. We should slow down a little bit. But actually what I want to do is I want to get to this other area that's kind of well known. And I want to walk around there. This is nice to be able to sit in this area. This is a nice street. I think this street will be more frequented by Vietnamese and kind of fun to hang out at. Okay. Some of the architecture. All these nice coffee shops everywhere. Okay, you can see. More of these coffee shops everywhere. Blue coffee. I think I'm walking a little bit fast. Probably gonna end my video shortly. But anyways, maybe I should end the video. I think I kind of captured everything I want to capture, which is the sidewalks, the coffee shops, a little taste of this particular street. Trying to maneuver the streets for the signs, and even these little things like that. Have to go around like that. But pretty cool. I think we're gonna so there we go. So it's a little slice of this area anyways. Let's end this video.